Oh, so fabulous. Hey guys, welcome back to my page. So today I have a different kind of content for you guys. I'm not doing makeup, it's not a tutorial, neither am I dancing or singing for you guys. I know some of you just clicked this video because of that. No! So today I'm actually doing like a first impression stroke review of a product that got sent to me by my girl, TWOK. Can I call you my girl? Like, if you guys don't know about TWOK, she's like an online makeup store that sells quality makeup products, and she actually told me about a brand that she wanted to send me their products, and she wanted me to do like a first impression stroke review. So the package got delivered to me a while back, as you guys can see here. This cute little package from TWOK. So yeah, in here I have the foundation from the brand, and the brand in question is 2K London. I'm sure you guys are like, okay, what's this brand? So these are the foundations from 2K London. So I was actually told that they didn't have my shade at the moment. Like, the company actually produces my shade, but at that moment she didn't have my shade of foundation in stock. So these two shades here are actually not my shade. Let me just tell you guys before I open it up. But I just picked these two just to at least still get the foundation and have a feel of them, swatch them, and probably do makeup using the foundations on the model and let you guys know my overall thoughts on the foundation. Pending whenever they get my own shade, and probably I could use the foundation in a tutorial or something. So let me open up the foundation from the pack so you guys can see. But like from the carton here, I really like what I'm seeing. This particular one is the shade 160, and yeah, something actually caught my eye. The woman of color, the woman of color. So that means they made this foundation with women of color in mind, which is nice. So melanin women, this brand was made with you in mind. Are you with me? Yeah, so and I'm really liking the packaging. Really, like, it has this frosty bottle. It's like is it rectangular or square in shape? Like, I don't know, sorry. So I'm really liking the packaging and the way, like, the font and everything. It kind of looks like a high-end foundation from the look of it. Like, I mean, like, I'm expensive, I'm bougie. That's what it looks like right now. So the second one that I have here is the shade 110. So this is 110 and this is 160, and I think because the foundation bottle is kind of like a frosty glass bottle, it's kind of difficult for you to tell what the shade is, so you actually have to like swatch it, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now for you guys, so you guys can have a feel on my hand right here of what it swatches like. I'll be starting with the shade 110, and oh nice, it has like a very nice pump. Can you guys see? Then for the second shade, which is 160, and what I can outrightly tell you guys from just watching it on my hand is that the foundation is actually thick. Like, and you know, the thicker the foundation, the lesser the quantity you have to use, because thicker foundation actually gives you more coverage than foundations that are like really watery or lightweight. Let me see if it's indicated on the bottle. Okay, on the bottle it says experience a flawless full coverage matte finish that perfects, balances and smooth skin. So they say that the foundation is full coverage, which is what I said. Like, with thick foundations, they tend to be full coverage. So if you have like dark spots, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, acne, scars and all, like, this could probably cover up. And if it doesn't, you just go in with another layer of the foundation. So I think it takes some time to dry, but I can't categorically tell you until I try it out on my model. And I have my model here today, my little sister, which happens to be my guinea pig for whenever I get products, specifically foundations that are not my shade. So anyways, yeah, little sister, come. Okay, so this is my sister. Her name is Oluchi, and we're going to be trying the foundation on her. And what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be using the foundation. This is the shade color 160. This is, which happens to be her shade. So I'm going to be applying foundation onto this side of her face so that you guys can have a chance to compare like the different foundation makes to this side of her face as opposed to the part of her face where there's no foundation. So I'm not going to take too much. This is just like the quantity that I just applied on her face. I think I was just proved wrong right now, because I was thinking that this foundation takes some time to dry, but from what I'm seeing, it really doesn't take time to dry. Like, it's just settling into the skin really quickly, and you guys can see, like, she doesn't even need too much of the foundation. Like, even the shade matching is just perfect. The shade, I think, is more like, it's closer to like a neutral undertone of a brown than a warm undertone. It's not like really warm. It doesn't have too much of red in it. It has more like a yellowish, olivey kind of undertone to it. So I think it's more neutral than warm, and it suits her skin really perfectly. So I'm just gonna apply a little more, just to build it up a bit, just little, especially around her eye area, because I didn't really apply so much. I mean, look at how matte, such a matte finish. I did not apply any powder on this. I did not apply any powder. This is just the foundation, and I did not even prime her face. The foundation is mattifying, but it doesn't make her skin look like it's stripped of all moisture. It looks like skin. I mean, compare it to this. Can you guys see like the comparison between the area with foundation and the area without foundation? But one thing I also observed, which actually validates what I said, is that the foundation has a neutral undertone. If you guys can see, this part of her face that foundation has been applied looks more yellow. It looks closer to yellow. While this part of her face looks like it has more red in it. So what I'm going to say is that foundation has very good coverage, because she had some discolorations on her face due to suntan and all whatnot. So the foundation was able to bring that all together, and I did not go in with a second layer. This is just one layer of the foundation, and it still gave me that skin-like finish. I think the foundation is going to be nice for people of different skin types. I think what really makes the difference is going to be the type of primer that you use. If you use a primer that is extremely mattified or something that is hydrating. So I think this is the end of the review. I'd like to know if they really have like this shade, but maybe with a warmer undertone. Like, do they really take that into consideration? Do they have a wide range of shades with different undertones? I'd like to know that. Then also, I'd really love to get my hands on my own shade, so I can do a proper review or first impression on myself and do a wear test, like where I get to wear it and go for my daily activities and come back after some hours and tell you guys how the foundation held up. But in essence, I'm impressed by this foundation. Is it something that I recommend to people? Yes, it's something that I recommend. So guys, till I come your way next time, follow me if you're not following me. I don't know if you're going to see this video if you're not following me, but follow me, because everything about makeup is me and what I'm about. Yes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys want to see more videos like this about reviews and product advice, do let me know, because I think that's something I'm kind of good at. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.